Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today we have something absolutely crazy for you. Today is a video on me going and buying, wrapping up, and sending Stephan a Rolex. So before you think I've actually lost my mind, hear me out. I was on Graham's show, the Stephan show, just a few weeks ago, and he was an amazing host. Not only was it a great experience and was I super grateful for him picking my story, but also my channel literally doubled from that one video. That video has done an amazing job for his channel right now. And for a phone call, it's on par with pretty much his other material, which makes me feel good that people enjoyed the story. Not only that, the comments were so amazing and people are still coming to the channel every day saying this is a Graham light bomb. But when it all comes down to it, we've got similar interests. We really enjoy each other. Our friendship's growing. And he's also given me two other opportunities to come back on his show, whether my stock portfolio hits $1 million, which lately I've showed you a ton of videos on that to show you where we're at, and if we get 50 rentals. And right now, and you already know this from Graham's show, I haven't gotten to all of it yet, but right now we are at 30 rentals with 8 under construction and a ton of projects underway. So it's a really great time. He's an amazing guy, and let's just be honest, I'm a fan. So of course I had to do something that he would probably keep forever and at the same time really appreciate it. So not only did I have to get him something that he doesn't have, but I also had to get him something that would represent a milestone in his life. Wait till you see what final touch I put on what I hope is an amazing gift from Mr. Graham. That day, I literally filmed everything from the purchase of the watch, how we wrapped it, what we went and bought to go put inside the box, and I made it a little interesting for when he actually got it. In case he opened it on camera, or if he didn't, he would just have, hopefully, a lot of fun with the nonsense that I did to this box. Graham, so for this special occasion, I even broke my diet to get some McDonald's. Kayla didn't do any of it though. She wouldn't. She almost threw the bag out of the car because it smells wonderful in here. Awesome experience that this purchase, the whole thing, wrapping this thing in the duct tape, making sure we drop in the Spark. Maybe we can convert him from his 20-cent iced coffee to, I'm going to figure out the equation on this Spark. I need to see how much it costs me per serving. Sometimes I have more than one, so that's how that goes. And I think his is, yeah, anyway, we'll figure that out. But how awesome is this? I literally feel kind of right now like Mr. Beast, except like, you know, he does stuff for people that you know, don't have a lot, and Graham's like infinitely more times more successful than I am. But regardless, the feeling is still the same. So Mr. Beast, if you see this, boom, I just pulled a Mr. Beast moment. In kinda, I don't know. But regardless, I hope Graham is as pumped about this as I am. I really hope he enjoys it. And I don't think I could have done a cooler way to do something like this and a cooler gift for a cooler guy. That's 3 cools. Cool. So I want to go back to the B-roll of this one spot where I actually show the back of the watch. The reason I say a milestone in his life, this just isn't a watch because, hey, look, Graham, I enjoy you. This is a watch that hopefully he will keep forever, because on the back of this stainless steel Datejust is a engraving that says 2 million subscribers. So I wanted to bring that back just to make sure you saw it, because that was the true meaning behind this. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy videos like this, please power up that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as well as hit the notification bell. It'll alert you every time that we post. We post every Wednesday and Friday. And also comment anything you got out of this video or anything you would like to see in future videos. I hope you have a fantastic afternoon, and I will see you on the next one.
Rapid McDonald's bag because he loves McDonald's. What the f*** wrong with you?
Baby, I'll put